Today we're going to be removing the axles off of a 05 Plus Super Duty Dana 60. I've got it on a little bit of a rotisserie here so I can work it around and get to everything. Tools we have are Sawzall, grinder, portaband, and worst case maybe the plasma, but it doesn't usually like paint and oil too much, so we'll stick with the first three. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing all the big stuff, and then we'll work on cleaning up the littler stuff, and then finally marking out and cutting the casting, because you've got to remove 2 inches off of the side here so that the Artec Truss will fit. Alright, well, let's get to it. Okay, that bracket right there was a complete pain to get off. Ended up with the plasma hammer and had to break out the air chisel. So have fun with that one if you end up doing this yourself. Alright, back to cutting, grinding, and beating. Okay, so we've got the brackets off of the passenger side. That is not fun. Got a little carried away in a few spots with the plasma, but I'll touch those up with the welder and grind it back smooth. And now onto the tighter, more fun side. Okay, now we're to the point of cutting the housing. I'll give it a shot with the portaband, grinder, and sawzall and see what happens. So the line there is what Artec suggests, 2 inches off, and then afterwards I'll finish cleaning up that little bit when I can get a grinder in there. Alright, it's break time.